Hello? Anyone want to play? Everyone? Great, Do you know what get with rain? No, baboons are always fairy. That's sad. Hey, this is fun. What the heck is he doing now? Yeah, you guys want to play? Come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. How many times? They don't play. Think for yourself. No, think yourself. Oh my, yours. Hey kid, this is a barn. We don't play, we work. Son of us, anyway. Son of us? When you were playing, I'll be here to work, but we work. Bloody hard, thank you. Hard. Grow a hair. Grow hair. That's nice. Oh, excuse me. Ah, is that you little gusky rippers? Filthy hairball. Yeah, that's it. Ah, filth. I guess that's not even a thing. Oh, little wolf pup, would you come here, please? So your name is Jack, right? Yep. What's yours? Sheepy. Sheepy? Great name. Well, thank you. Now you're so cute and fluffy, but you're wasting your time. These animals won't play. What about you? Me? Well, I had to say, well, hey. Wow, is this babies? Obviously, I really love to play. But why can't you play? Because of why the pig is good, but he can't. But what about the rest of you? Do you guys want to play? And play with an empty stomach? Yeah, whatever. You've been bum. Yeah, sorry about that. But so you are friends, right? Oh, sure. We've been together all night. Not sure to be in the same farm and to be friends. I'm not hungry. I need someone else to play with. Oh, yes. So good. Hello. Ah! Hmm. Are you the wolf? Wolf is a wolf. The squirrel is happy. My name is Jack. It's really nice to meet you. What's your name? Do you have a name? Or is just a squirrel? You said just a squirrel? You mean the mission. Squirrels rules, but yeah. But you actually just call me the squirrel. But you call yourself a squirrel. I can call me that. But you can't, Jack. But do you have a name? Of course I do. It's Pearly. Pearly? Great name. Thanks. Hey, do you want to play Pearly? Read my fairy tale pink lips. No! You see, I don't play. I know, I spy, I eat, I hide. I play in a nutshell. But, do you have to stay chat? Chat? What is chat? Hold on, let me sit here. No, spy, eat, hide. Nope, chat ain't on the list. You look handsome. Ah! Tonight I'll dream about slops. Break. You're not gonna see that wolf again. You have to do your homework. But he respected me. But I'm respecting you about homework. Okay? But Mom, I always said about saying goodnight.